we all had a lovely nap.
Where's Kevin?
He's safe. We'll be seeing him soon. He just needed a little time to cool off. You know what kids are like. Oh, you didn't touch your cake.
You drugged RTÉ.
I'll wrap it up in a bit of tin foil and you can take it with you. Right, I'm going to the kitchen to wash these. But I better not catch you trying to escape, or I'll have to get rid of you the old-fashioned way.
Katie, do you have your phone? Can you reach it? Yeah, got it.
The coast is clear.
Call for help. Hey guys, Katie here. I'm having the craziest day. So, looks like I've been kidnapped by a mental... Oh. Katie, what are you doing? Posting a call for help. I meant to call the guards. Oh, like, you mean make a phone call? Yes. How do you do it again? I never ring people.
No, no. I told you to behave. Whoops.
I swear, if it's the last thing that I do, I will end you for breaking